How to create newsletter on Canva app in only 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a newsletter on Canva fast and easy in 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Canva app like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do, go down and click on this plus button right here and go to the search bar and search for the newsletter. As you can see, now click on it like this and wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page right here. Now on this page, choose a newsletter design that you want. Okay, I'm gonna just choose this one, for example, right here. I love this design. Now I can change anything I want. You can also add a photo and replace it from here, and you can change the text, change every single thing. Okay, after you finish, just click here in the top and click download and everything will be done. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.